Okay, so this video has no like real intro, so I thought I would just do like a little intro here. But pretty much I went down to the Jersey Shore with my friend Emma and her family. I just thought I would vlog my trip because it's some content and it's just kind of entertaining to watch us like be together. I'm so tired right now. I just got back from driving back and I'm literally dead. But yeah, we started off this vlog like mid-trip, like halfway through the week. So it's kind of random and like an abrupt start, but here we go. Hey guys, we're on the beach in Ship Bottom, New Jersey.
Hey,
and I'm here with Emma and her cousin and Max, and we're gonna play some spike ball. And I'm really bad, but we can watch me fail, and I'm gonna vlog it, and it'll be funny. And it's thundering, but we wildin' out here. We wildin', and we're gonna go to the beach. And yeah, we just had lunch. I ate a fat amount of food, and yeah, so we wildin'.
Sugma. They said Sugma.
Hey! Oh, nuggets. We be wildin'. We wildin' out here in the city. Hey! 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 Oh. Lock it. Go! Up. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm 13 my serve. You be wildin' out there. Wildin'. L. Oh, L. That effort. That's because of effort. Ian effort. Emma. Not for long.
Fat L. And oh! Hey yo, New Jersey check. We're about to meet up with Emma's man.
No, we're not putting that in.
And we're going mini golfing, and I'm not vlogging in front of him because that's so uncomfortable, but
You already know.
apparently he knows I'm a YouTuber, which is so awkward, and this pimple needs to get away. But I haven't vlogged all day. Well, we were like first here, like the early stages, like 2 hours ago.
That was not 2 hours ago.
Okay, yeah, like 30 minutes ago. We were sitting on a bench. We saw these people with dogs, and they had her phone, and they left her phone on the bench. So we were like, we're gonna be the superheroes of the day. We're gonna return the phone to her. And so we returned the phone to her, and she literally like didn't care. She's like some rude. She was like, oh,
I
don't
do this
tell
all
my.
the time.
Yeah, she was like, I do this all the time. Don't tell my husband. Haha. And like hugged me, and I was like,
Okay.
all right. So we're back from mini golf. It was actually really fun, and I just found my bare retainer. This straight on here, no cup, no nothing, just straight there. Emma's mom just put it straight on the bare ass counter, and I am a germaphobe. I'm literally flipping it, so I need to re-clean my retainer. Like, we about to feast because we got munchies. Just kidding. Last night, me and Emma must have thrived. She got some good news from a feller.
Can you insert that clip of me going like wild?
Yo, bro, you smart as hell, bro. You won't get caught by the popo. The ops gonna get your ass.
I ate some good food, and I wasn't uncomfortable third wheeling her, but tonight I was a bit.
I be wildin' again. I be wildin'. I'm mushing this around and it's not even on.
Oh my god.
Ew, it's chunky, man. I don't even know where to begin.
I'm getting some water. Bruh, my mom would beat my if she, oh my god. Mom, Oliver, if you're watching this, let me be a cool kid. Who's outside? There's fireworks, and we literally just shat our pants.
My sister.
What you got?
Cookies.
The best cookies. Look at these, and they literally make you just want to nut. Tonight for dinner, we are having brownies.
They're pop brownies.
Psych. Dude, all these jokes, don't worry, we're literally not consuming a single ounce of alcohol or drugs or any other sort of substance. We are sober, we are literally just high on life, and this is just us. We have a serious question. Can you eat crack? Like, we really just want to know. Comment down below.
Hey!
Oh my god, he answered. when Emma ditches me to talk to her boyfriend. Fuck you! Show me in my vlog.
Hi.
Hey vlog, this is me.
Daria wanted to be in the vlog, so here, this is Daria. She's no longer dating that guy that she said she was, and that's the tea.
Sad.
Goodbye. When he picks out your bathing suits.
That was nice.
1 or 2?
2.
I was getting ready for bed, and I went to go pick up this cup of water at the time. I just spilled it all over my bed. There's ice in my f***ing white van. I'm not having a good time. I need to go get water. Good night. We're going to bed. See you in the morning.
Good night,
I'm
Vloggy.
sleeping with a t-shirt because I decided I don't like this bed and it scares me, so I have to sleep with an article of clothing from my house. Good night.
Good night, Vloggy.
Morning for breakfast. I'm having toast and bacon and water and blueberries. And Emma's having toast, bacon, eggs, and water and blueberries. We're at the beach, under the umbrella because it's literally 1,000 degrees out. UV index is 9. Gonna get an awful tan line from this, but it's okay. And
We're already mad sweating.
yeah, the second we walked on the beach, we were like drenched in sweat, and the sand is so hot. But we're gonna make a bracelet because I brought my little bracelet kit. I have to make these beaded type. Some people that I know. So shout out to Morgan. Here's hers. But yeah, we're gonna do that and then sweat some more and then. We're making bracelets, so I'll show you guys my bracelet. This is what it looks like. I'm doing like red, white, and bluish, but I'm making the knots really loose so it's like hella thick. And what are you doing, Emma?
Making a bracelet.
It's like really nice though because it's like not hot anymore because like we're under an umbrella and we're sitting and it's just nice. And I ate a good cookie, so I'm happy. We went to Surf City Hotel and I got a pulled pork sandwich with a side of french fries. It was hella good. It was so big though. And I ate like the entire thing, so. Emma, what'd you get?
A burger. You wanna be in the vlog? What? The vlog!
What vlog?
On Steph's channel!
I didn't see it.
Oh. Do you wanna be? Hurry! She's wildin'.
She's wildin'. I also got 2 pimples now. This is literally
You're putting that in the video?
big chungus and this is like mini chungus, so. We're gonna go watch the hot dog eating contest because we have nothing better to do.
Wait, you guys wanna see my peel?
Look at our chemical peel. That's not what it's called. It's a tan line. Look at it.
It's yummy.
It is yummy. I'm gonna eat it tonight.
Ew.
I'm wearing a tube top from American Eagle and then shorts from Hollister. But right now I have like a scrub on my face to get rid of this. All right, so Emma's gonna shower and we have no plans for tonight. It's 4th of July and we have no plans, so it's kind of sad, but we'll figure something out.
Sad but true, sis.
So me and Emma are outside because inside the house is freezing and we have no plans, so we're just sitting outside because we have nothing to do though. We're just gonna sit here.
Anyone wanna like hit us up with plans?
Yeah, literally. We decided we're gonna go get shaved ice or whatever it's called. So we're gonna get that. Okay, so we're at Pelican Snowballs and I got Fruitasia with a gummy shark on top. I'm not really sure what Fruitasia is, but I think it's, I forget what it said.
Mango, strawberry.
Mango and strawberry or something. And she got,
Cotton candy with a little shark.
okay, me and Emma are walking.
This is sketchy and scary.
We're walking to the beach. We go watch fireworks and we have a little snack. Baby going off over here. Streets of shit bottom. Look at that gymnastics skill. Okay, we're getting ready for the beach and this is Emma's back condition. Look at it.
I'm here.
She was like hella sunburned and now it's just this. Emma, do you like my new drip? I just hurt my toe so bad on a chair. No. Today was like a pretty good beach day. It was kind of average. It was really cloudy at first, but it got okay. The water was so warm and I was thriving, and there was waves. Me and Emma, what did we do? Had lunch. We had ribs and watermelon and...
What else? How did you have lunch?
We had a lot. And then we also went to go get a banana cream pie. I had like a little bit and now my stomach kills because dairy does not go well with me. Me and Emma are biking. My front camera is being sped. I think it had too much cocaine tonight, so it's not working, but we're biking around. I'm not really sure what town we're in. We're on a main road, so I should probably pay attention. Playing music. Oh yeah, we're in Surf City. Duh. Top 5. Gone. But we're blasting music, driving through the neighborhoods, having a good time. And yeah, we're thriving. So it's like 9 p.m. right now. The last time I vlogged was like biking. Now it's at like 7:45, but we got home, we took an Uber to dinner, went to Pelican. That was, no. Plantation. And I got a burger and fries, and Emma over here got a salad. And literally, when I tell you, it was 3 pieces of lettuce on a plate with like some like bougie stuff. It wasn't even cut up. It was just 3 little like long leaves of lettuce, just like a little drizzle of dressing, and like that's it.
Who makes a salad?
And it was like a bougie restaurant, so like that probably wasn't cheap. But I was over here thriving with my burger, and I felt kind of uncomfortable because they had like small meal, and mine was like so big. Feasted on cannoli.
There was 2 for $20 sweatshirts.
Where?
In Bay Village.
I hate when you use that voice.
The one day we don't go, Mom.
How do you know?
Because my friend told me, Mom.
Tea. Alright, so that's all that I vlogged on this beach trip. Thanks to Emma and her family. I don't know if her mom's watching this, but if she is, then hey, thanks for having me, because I'm so annoying and so picky when it comes to food and just everything like that. Sorry if you had to watch this entire thing, because me and Emma are so annoying together, but I kind of love it. And this vlog is so unprofessional, so dysfunctional, but it's just fun to watch, so I'm gonna upload it, I guess, and just document it. Subscribe if you're new. I don't know why you'd be new and watch this entire video and still subscribe after watching us be annoying. But if you want to, then do that. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time I upload. Peace out. That was not English.